Alicia, alive. Yeah, ignore me. Alright, Nico. Hello, babe. Babe, I'm here now. Hello? I think I'm off the phone now. It's the same thing. That's why I'm here listening. You always ignore me. Why you have to be on the phone so much? Hello? I'm here. Come on. Hello? Somebody else in the room. Huh?